The sphingolite fault has two distinct parts. You must solve the first in order to advance to the second. The first riddle you are now solving is the wooden box with the perforated topping. In order to succeed, insert magnets in the holes, and after closing the lid, the magnet rolls. Think geometrically, try to be wise, and you will see the solution with your own eyes. If the magnet's path is straight enough, the rest of the riddle will not be tough. Look at the map, use your brain, and the knowledge to the solution you'll quickly gain. If you work wisely and with a wit, you will solve it in just a bit. Use only the magnets you are given, even if you think something else works. Insert the magnets in the designated holes. Close off the cover and the cylindrical magnet will start rolling. There are more holes than needed, so try to find the correct way to arrange the magnets. If you succeed, the magnet should pass the laser beam and trigger the sensor, and you will proceed to the next riddle. It is illegal to hit, push, and knock on the vault, so do not insert sticks or any other objects to the holes or any other place they are not supposed to be in. Do not move the perforated surface because it might ruin the solving experience. The red button in front of the ship resets the vault, so you are not allowed to press it. The cylindrical magnet is the only object which is supposed to trigger the photoreceptor.
As you can see, the magnets are being arranged in symmetrical pattern along the axis of motion, so that the force vectors that they are applying on the rolling magnet are pointing solely in that axis, and are cancelling in the vertical axis. In addition, the magnets are arranged in diagonal lines so that the force applied by the magnets will intensify throughout the motion, to make the rolling magnet accelerate and not stop in the middle. The rolling magnet will then proceed to cross the laser's path, which will send a cue to a sound of a firing cannon, followed by a door opening in the ship's rear, giving the hackers a set of keys.
You have successfully reached the second riddle, so you are now officially in the middle. In this one there is a compass needle and sort of magnets, though they are little. The keys you were given will now help you, so it would be beneficial if what the materials were you knew. The compass only attracts to steel, so you need to find which key is real. But the needle and the key don't attract every time they try to interact, so think for a bit, because you might need something to hit. The second part is a plexiglass box with a compass and a laser sensor in it. You need to insert different keys to the keyhole so the compass needle will attract to the key, allowing the laser beam to reach the photoresistor on the blue arm. The arm blocks the needle from moving away from the key. The keys are made from 4 different materials: steel, brass, copper, and plastic. You need to find the right key, insert it into the hole, and move the magnetic needle for 5 seconds. Do not push or hit the ship or one of its components. Do not rotate the ship, it might change the compass needle position. Do not insert anything besides the keys to the keyhole. The only way to trigger the laser sensor is by moving the compass needle.
At the second riddle, the hackers identify the correct key to use, the steel one. After finding the key, the hackers insert the key to the keyhole, only to find out that the key is not attracting the compass needle, but pushing it away. At this point, the hackers understand that the key is made out of ferromagnetic material, and that it is polarized with an opposite magnetic field to that of the compass. In order to neutralize the key magnetic field, the hackers hit the key's steel tip, mixing up its domains and demagnetizing it, allowing the compass magnetic field to remagnetizing it in the correct orientation and solve the riddle. After solving the riddle, another door opens, indicating the end of the vault.